Recording. Welcome back to the channel, Tatsters. My name's George. This is Retro Reselling. That struck a deal, and I've got this box full. I don't know how much I paid. So all the stock I've got here plus delivery worked out at £117. So a nice decent amount. It's a nice heavy box, so hopefully we've got some good stuff in here. Ooh, there we go. Right. I think we're in. Okay, I'll try my best, but if I accidentally bang the table, it's because my microphone's just here and I always forget. So apologies if I bang the table again and hurt your ears. I'll do my best. This might work out best on the floor again. So I've got no idea what is in here. I've done a blind buy. I've got all my trust in Lee here. Good start. Another ball game. Definitely looks vintage. We've got the Amazon seller app here. If I can record on my screen. We'll get up the Amazon seller app, scan it in, we'll see what these are currently going for and their ranking. Ooh, made a sale. Sold a Polaroid, $35.99, nice surprise. We're going to hit the camera. I don't think it's got a barcode, but we'll try and see if it recognises the picture. Take the foil off. See if it'll recognise the picture. Come on. No. So it won't recognise the picture. There's no barcode, so we'll just type it in, see what happens. Syntactics. Game. Not heard of it. Yeah, so it doesn't look like there's a listing on Amazon. So we'll go to the camera, we'll scan the barcode. It's off. Come on. Every time. So go to the camera, just basically scan barcode. Got here, got some clothing. Got some clothing now. Wind cheetah. Can't find the size. Ah, medium, there we go. Of course, a bit smaller. So Superdry isn't something I pick up. Obviously, I pick up limited clothing. Shoot. Superdry Wind Cheetah. So looking here, one went for 15. One went, have a mystery box. I need my scissors back. Oh, dear. Okay. Hopefully again, £20-25, that price bracket again. Very good. More shoes. What is this? You're going to charity shops. The more knowledge you gain, the more knowledge you gain, the more opportunities you get when you're out in the field, in charity shops, at jumble sales. Got more things to grab and things and to sell. So yeah, no complaints here. Always got to learn. But I've said a few times now. And that's me done. Wow, very, very good. There we go. Empty box just to show you. There we go. Thanks so much, Lee. That's going to keep me very busy for the next week or so, hopefully. Hopefully see me into February with all the other stuff as well. So yeah, really appreciate it. Thanks so much, Lee. Yeah, it's all part of the experience in life, I suppose, especially in the business life. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed already, hit that like button if you did enjoy this. Subscribe if not already, and if you are subscribed and you want to, again, don't have to if you don't want to, but consider becoming a member for extra perks. Things like early video releases, discount on future merch, special one-off blooper videos, things like that. If you want to consider it, the join button should be down below, link in the description as well. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, whenever that will be. I'm not sure. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.